had the KU-Haskell Undergraduate Research Symposium to showcase all of the research that the people in this mentoring group have done throughout the year, and it was great. We went there for a couple hours, and there were a lot of faculty members there. It was a really good experience. It's really fun to get to present your research because you're always up in your lab, working away, and then, this is kind of the time where you can actually, tell everyone what you've been doing.
I think that presenting your research personally is important because it just helped me understand what I was doing more. Once I put everything on the poster and I read it over, everything I had been doing over the past year made complete sense because I put it into my own words instead of just scientific terms and things that I don't fully understand as of right now. I mean, I'm kind of a shy person. I have stage fright too. I think about 15 people came up to my poster, and so I had to say my little spiel 15 times, and that, I got really comfortable after, 5 times. So, it helped me talk to people and, interact and kind of kill some of that stage fright.
I think that going to symposiums and conferences is a really good idea because you have to really know about your topic to present it to other people. I feel like that's a good test of how well you understand things, is if you know how to talk about it and present it to other people. I think it's just a really good experience to, as far as even just public speaking and interacting with other people in the same field, because we'll be doing that a lot in grad school and beyond. And so it's good to kind of make connections and know how to talk to people in conference type settings.
Being part of the prep program and a lab, you get to do a fake presentation in front of your lab group, then you do it in front of the prep program group and people. So you get a lot of practice before you even talk about your poster. I think it's important because just working in a lab, you don't really ever feel like you're doing anything. When you go out and you do it and people come and ask questions, you actually get to feel like, this is what I've done for the last year.
The research symposium is like horrible torture for me, which is why it's good for me because I am really shy, and I know that being able to stand up and talk about what you're doing and communicate it is really important in science. Initially, I was fantasizing about working in a small room with a microscope and no people. Apparently, that's not how it works anymore. It's been really good for me to have to get up and talk about my research, even though I'm scared.
You really don't know how well you know your work until you can really answer questions. It's really taught me what it means to be a good scientist. You do all this work in the lab, and then you have to put together this presentation and then almost kind of sell your work because whatever you're doing has never been done before. And also, in most of the national conferences, you get to meet a lot of people from different schools and people who are recruiting for the different graduate programs and medical programs. And it's always just very nice to meet all these people and make those connections